So welcome on board to another interesting day. That is our basics of learning some key things we need to add on how to improve things. So since my primary purpose is to improve on the basic foundation of some things, this is a digital multimeter. Is very common. Most of the time this digital multimeter doesn't come with a backlight. So in the night, if you are using it, you might not see the writing very well if the place is not very bright. So I will introduce you how to put this backlight in it. You press it, you will see a light here. You can still clearly see the light will stay for some seconds, maybe like 40 seconds to 1 minute, then it will go off. So you don't need to worry yourself about offing it. I will explain everything. This is a circuit diagram. I will explain how I did everything here and how you connect it. This is it. These are the key things you need. This is the MOSFET Z44. Look at it here. You can clearly see it is written Z or 3205. Anyone you can lay your hands on, you keep it this way. So you connect every basic thing. You have provision for your resistor. Let me check my resistor. Just fall off now. No problem. This is it. This is a resistor. You have a resistor here. This one is 330 ohm from your battery power source, 9 volt. This resistor is determined by the voltage. If you are using a 12 volt battery, the value might change. So if you are using 9 volt, you are using 330. If you are using a 5 volt, it will also vary. So this is our LED. This is provision for. This is our resistor here. You have one here 330. You also have another one here 2.2k. This one takes care of putting it on. This is a switch, a momentary switch, not a fixed switch. The switch that are found on the body of DVD player, MP3 player, that when you press it, it provides a pulse of voltage, then it will cut off when you release your finger. So you have this here, you have this here, you also have it here, then you also have one here. The one you have here is a 1 mega ohm resistor. This one takes care of discharging the capacitor gradually until the light will go off, just the way you see it is on after some seconds. So this is a capacitor here too. This capacitor is 25 volt 33 uf. So the value of this capacitor, look at it, the simple polarized capacitor like this, the value of this capacitor and this resistor as well as this resistor takes care of determining the timing. So you can connect it based on how you want it. If it is not giving you what you want, you can adjust the value of this resistor and this capacitor. This one can remain fixed, no problem with that. Then this is our LED. You have a simple LED, maybe of this nature, white one. This is it. It's connected from the positive terminal of the Z44 or 3205 to this point. Your negative is here, your positive here, because when you press the switch, this MOSFET turns on. Then this terminal is connected across here. Is connected with this one to provide negative light to this. Then your positive comes in from here, then it turns on. Then after some time, when it is done discharging, as soon as it gets to 0.6 volt, below 0.6 volt, it completely turn off. So that is a simple arrangement of how it work, how you design it. So this is it again. You see it's not on again. I will press it again. After some time it will go off. So it's very simple circuit you can lay your hands on. Let's enjoy some jam. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, so ever. This is another digital multimeter. This one doesn't have it. With time, I will introduce it to you. Then I will show you how everything is being done. Don't worry, you see there is no any backlight for it for now. So thank you very much. Enjoy yourself. Have a lovely day ahead.